step on.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No, never look back. Never look back. No. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Good morning and welcome back to the Williams fam. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That anytime we upload a video, you guys will be the first to be notified. I know YouTube has been kind of messing things up and a lot of people are not receiving their post notification, but make sure your post notification is turned on and make sure you guys are subscribed and sharing up the video. Thank you guys, and thank you to all the new supporters and all the returning and OGs. Thank you guys for supporting our journey. We really appreciate it. I am just currently getting dressed because we are about to head out. We're gonna go into town. Ooh, that natural lighting though. Ooh, can't beat that. Can't beat that. So I'm just cleaning up the bathroom back to the way it was because girl was just here touching up my face. So now I'm just cleaning back up what I use. So I hope you guys, I don't even know what the plan is for today. I really don't. Let me wash my hands. I really don't even know what the plan is for today. I know we're heading into town. I have some business that I gotta go take care of. So, you know, I gotta make sure myself is put together. Even when I'm home, I still like to, put myself together, because I always say, when I'm put together, I feel better, even if I'm not going anywhere. But it's not every day you're gonna see your girl come on here with makeup, because, hey, too much makeup sometimes is not good for you and breaks out your skin. But your girl does like to look proper, so I just have to clean back the stuff. And I catch what? Clean off the mirror. I don't like seeing my bathroom sink or my mirror dirty. It drives me crazy. So generally, I always like to keep it clean. I don't like seeing the water splashes on it either. One of my pet peeve, guys, much less hair on the sink. I don't like seeing anything. So, and it's a good habit. Anytime you use your bathroom mirror or whatever, brush your teeth and water splash up on it, get into the habit of cleaning it off. It just makes your place look that much better. I hate seeing it, and anytime my kids come in here and brush their teeth and use the bathroom, they better make sure they clean off that glass, because I don't want to see no toothpaste spill all over it, and I sure don't want to see like it in the sink. You know, when you brush your teeth and the stuff drops, the toothpaste drops in the sink. I don't like seeing that either. I like to see my sink clean and my mirror clean as it has not been used. So one of my biggest pet peeves is to see. So, oh, and it smells so good in here. Okay. So I'm gonna just mop the floor. Yeah. So just gonna have to put on my watch. I'll put you guys here for a second. What?
Curry.
Curry. There's enough there. Today, as while you eat.
No, not like me.
So Mario alone, so there's enough. Yeah, cook enough. If it would have, all of us would have been able to eat yesterday. Alright. So I'm just getting my batteries and stuff because if I'm bringing you guys, I gotta make sure I got my batteries. Thank God. Oops. Thank God the camera has been holding up. Yes. Thanks for that. Okay guys, so guess what? I've been ready and Mr. Williams is not ready. I am waiting on him, but he's doing some work outside. I need a different pair of shoes. I'm gonna put on these sandals. Ew, look at the lizard. Let me show you guys what he's up to. Go squeeze the foot in them little sandals here. Alright, so, you go there, go spray it. So you see what he's up to is in here working. So William's in here working. So he's designing the windows. Guys, Lucky turned one of the bedroom into a work area. That's why downstairs was built for him, but the flooring needs to get done. So oh my. Yeah. So the flooring needs to get done. So this is the window design that he has done, and he still has that one to do, and then this one over here. So what is there playing? And I am ready. Long time guys, and I'm sitting here waiting on him.
Yeah, right.
What do you mean, yeah, right? So me now wait for you look how long me ready and me come out here.
Get ready,
You're disgusting, like, is your face? That I got up? Eh? But isn't that I got... Eh? But isn't that a good thing? I got up and I got ready, showered, did my makeup, my hair, and I already have my outfit picked out, my bags put out. What? That's not true. Why? Oh, I mean, I bet you nothing. No. No. How much you want bet? No, you're disgusting. You're disgusting. Me ready. You want me to go sit down in my car now? Eh? No, gosh. You know, she's disgusting. Oh my god. Look at my leg, babe. Guys, look at this. The zinc almost, not the zinc, the thing almost cut through my leg the other day. I fell. Huh? Coming like anytime out here, me always getting bruised up. Because I literally went on top of the house. So it's one of the steel up there on top of the house. I was coming down and I almost fell. Because I climbed up on the tank. I climbed up on the big water tank that you guys see on top of there. Because I was trying to see how full... Morning! I was trying to see how full the tank was. And because I climbed up on the tank, me put up about... Mario put up it. He had two blocks standing and then he put 2 more blocks. So it was like 4 block height. And me climbed up there and didn't have anything to actually literally climb up on. So I had to push myself up. And then I pulled myself up onto the tank to look over to see how much water was pulling up. And when I was coming down, I kind of lost my balance. And let me tell you, the mercy of God saved me from the steel going through my foot. So it's a good thing it only cracked me the way it did, but yeah, that still could have gone straight through my leg. But hey, what's life if you ain't in the islands and getting some form of cut somewhere the amount of drop, huh? Which one is the new one? What?
Which one is the new one?
Wait,
Which one is the new one? Come!
You know you're disgusting.
Come here, try some.
Yeah, try. Why? But why are you so far?
Which one is the new one?
Oh, why are you so far? Come closer.
Nobody now go down for you in the look line. Which one is the new one? If you can't tell from there, so that means you're right. Which one is the new one?
Turn it the other way.
Which one is the new one?
Turn it the other way.
The other way now go work because the other way go up on the wall.
Alright, turn it to the side.
Yes.
Don't play me.
Yes.
Don't play me.
Listen to me. The back, they'll go up on the wall.
Alright, so let me see the side.
or seal out? Which
No,
one,
no
which one
fully.
is the- which one
Don't
is
play
the
with
new
me
one?
and I'll go fully seal
Which
out.
one is the new one?
Let me see the side. You see, we are trying to play a movie. No, turn it to the side. Turn it to the other side now. You know you're Janelle.
Which one?
You're Janelle, you know that though. Mario.
Just pick one now. Which one the face I was one?
Let me come see.
Just pick.
Then why you step back for?
Just pick which one the face and the eye. Which one the face and the eye?
Eh, you know say you're
Pick
Janelle.
one now.
Mario, my eyes dim, me have water in my eye right now. That one.
Now about you.
Eh? See, I was right, wasn't I?
When boy was it?
Eh?
You know say right now this one are whiter than this.
Hmm?
This one whiter.
But I was right though. Was I right? Yes, I was. You say you're disgusting? I was right. I was right. You're disgusting. Like, watch it. Watch it, watch it, watch it.
Turn it back, see there? Look how it clean.
But you see, I was right though. You
Yeah.
act like I wasn't right.
Yeah.
And look, you think you're slick though. You see how far you hold it? Cause look there. See me can't see the difference now?
Yes.
Yes.
Nothing wrong with them.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you say you can't use.
But I was right
Yeah,
though.
but I was right.
When I picked it, I
You're
just
wrong.
texted now
You're
lick you
wrong.
with it. You're so disgusting.
Wrong, you're wrong.
No,
wrong.
you're right. You just hate to admit when I'm right.
Really like the way you say it couldn't work.
Hello, me never say couldn't. Me say
Yeah.
what if?
No. What? What?
Me say what if? Then you would have just wasted your time doing all of that.
That's why I'm gonna stop.
Yes, so yes.
That's why
Guys,
I'm gonna stop.
don't even bother listening to us. This is just a regular routine with us when it comes to stuff. Mr. Williams do not like to admit when he's wrong.
I'm not wrong. What am I wrong?
Yeah. But me right, and when me right, you know what? Tell me say me right.
Tell me say it can't work.
Hello?
Tell me
No,
say it
but
can't
you
work.
just asked me which one is the new one. Which one did I just tell? Didn't I tell you which one was the new one?
No.
All when you're trying to hide it and you don't want to show me the back nor the corner.
Yes, yes,
Me
yes.
know exactly
Ah,
which
so
one it was
is the
though.
new one and you're paying for the wrong
Eh?
one.
Me no pine pan the wrong one. Me pine pan the right one. You're disgusting. Like, you see your face? Eh? Hello? Can you go get ready?
Where may I go?
No play with me, man. Go put your clothes on, sir.
Where may I
You
go?
always complain and say, oh, Shan, you're not ready
Me ask
before
that
me.
question, which one may I
Now
go?
I'm ready before him and I'm waiting.
Was
I never keep a queen waiting too long.
6 lock.
Alright guys, so maybe we just come back and talk to you guys in a bit. Me I go charge up the batteries for this. Guys, I don't even know what's going on. Something's wrong with our GoPro. There's no sound on it. And it's just frustrating. So may I have to go try and figure out what the issue is. Or when we reach over, I'm gonna have to take it in or send it back. Because it hasn't even been a year yet, actually. This month, the end of this month, will be 1 year since we've had it. So we might have to just send it back straight to GoPro because I ordered it straight from the actual company of it. So I might have to go and see what is wrong with it. I don't know if anybody else has a GoPro and know the reason why the sound is not working on the GoPro, right? So, and it sucks because like I'm losing out on footage because of it, so that is why. So, but yeah, if you guys do have a GoPro and it's not working, like it's the quality, you still have the quality and it's brand new, it's not a second-hand GoPro, and it's a GoPro 8. Yeah, maybe me should send that one back and upgrade to the new one. They have the GoPro 10. Yeah. We are finally leaving out.
After you stay
and Mr.
so
William
long.
finish mash up my phone, guys, and drop it again. I know lie, I true. Why not stop? Oh gosh, guys, he mash up my phone. It's already gone to the dogs. I know it worse, as I say. Gone to the dogs. Oh gosh. Into town and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna go do what we gotta go do. So yesterday I wasn't even in the vibes for the vlog, and you know, the last few days, so I just took some time because it was just heart-wrenching seeing that. And the sad thing, like the mother, she knew that her puppies were dying and she could not do anything to help them. Could not do anything to help her babies. It was like the same way when the dogs, them father died, and like it's like, you know, and animals, let me tell us, anybody with animal not have sense, let me tell us, them idiot, them do have sense to a certain extent, right? They might can sense certain things, because I wish they could have sensed the poison to know that a poison and they shouldn't eat the food. But when them people go the lengths to actually cook up the food, you know, buy the stuff and cook up the poison in the food and give it to the dogs. Yeah, you know, so them the people there, them heartless, them wicked. I'm not afraid to talk, them are wicked people. It's seeing we're taking a different route, so I'll take a different tour. Guys, so I got myself some stallion. Oh my gosh, they didn't have the bigger cup. They just lick up, but that's okay. And I'm gonna get some jerk chicken and festival. Oh, by the way, we stopped. So I'm going to, long time not have any stallion. Tastes really good. Oh my gosh, I love this. Remember when me and my mom used to go to Bay? I always used to buy a stallion and go up all the time. I don't care where the stallion is, we go look for it and buy one. I love the taste of it. It's just, I love blend up stuff like this. So Maria, wait upon the festival and the jerk chicken. This is so good, guys. Alright, so we got 2 festival and jerk chicken. It's a jerk chicken. Mr. Williams don't eat jerk chicken to that, so him just get himself some festival.
Buy chicken and beef and chicken, man.
Yeah, and in the drink stallion too. So we're gonna go wax this up. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat up and yeah. So gonna continue our journey. Sometimes it's just good to just get out of the house. Me, oh Lord, here living in Jamaica, being in Jamaica, we can just get up and just drive. Just the sightseeing alone, like I just love it. Me. So we've reached in town, guys. I am just waiting on Mr. Williams. He ran up, went to in the store to go get something, so I'm just waiting. So we're down by Clock Tower. Yeah, so we're down by Clock Tower. The wait, busy as I be. And then you have Tasty's patties right there. Oh boy. Yeah, so you have Tasty's patty. I'd drink one of them jelly they have a tree right now. I'd drink one of the jelly. Yeah, we're waiting for Mario to come, and then we have another stop to make. I don't think we're gonna stay down here too long, kind of more like a run in, run out situation. But if it was up to me, we would have spent the day down here, probably go and have some nice lunch, and maybe end up at the beach. Even to just go sit by the waters and put my feet in. I would definitely love to have done that. But since we had some stuff, oh, and even before we came, we stopped and we got some more material for the house and stuff like that. We had to order some more stuff for the house, so we did that so we can get some more stuff done on the house. Yeah, definitely stay tuned. We're gonna sit down and do a mukbang probably, or just to sit down and talk, chat video for you guys, because I've been getting a lot of questions in my DM about like the process of starting a house in Jamaica, building, the cost of materials, and stuff like that, and how we go about like finding people to build our house. So we'll definitely do a sit down video where we can sit down and talk about it and answer your questions as best as we know how. Well, not necessarily me. The way I can answer your question is on the saving part, like savings and what we did and stuff like that part. But like for the building aspect, that will be all like Mario, because he is the labor, the contractor, the architect, everything in one, pretty much. So, and yeah, you guys wanted to know how you can save money on building a house down here as well. So that we could sit down and talk to you guys about. But for us, I guess it's a little bit easier more than for others, because as you guys know, Mario, he's pretty much jack of all trade. He does everything, so all he really needs is just one good person that's willing and motivated to work, or two other than himself, and moi, because I love helping in the house project. I like to be included in everything that's going on, and yeah, where I see I can give my expertise on anything or implement, then I do it. But definitely stay tuned. We'll have a sit down video for you guys, just answering the question and the process. Even people have asked us about like blueprint and different stuff like that, so we will definitely be able to answer your questions. And hey, if we're even able to help one or two people understand, then it's better than nobody at all. So we will definitely do a sit down video for you guys and just give you guys a little bit of insight and just how long we've been building. But if you've been watching our channel, you will actually see how long we have been building, because there's videos from 2018 and up. Oh, Mr. William, come. Oh, I got a big bottle of water. Yay. So
You know you love big things, yeah.
you're so disgusting, but me love big things, so you love big things too.
Oh, you do vlog?
Yes, I'm vlogging.
Hello, take the camera.
You're so disgusting. Oh, guys, let me tell you, I am frustrated. One of the worst things is when you're trying to get business done, and man, today is just not it at all. Right? You have everything, your confirmation and everything, and you come to the place, and then the next minute people are telling you, oh, they don't see this in the system, they don't see that in the system. Boy, I don't even know what to say, but you know what? I'm gonna stay in good spirit and just continue to pray and go home and redo what I have to do that I did how much years ago. Like, it's just crazy. How much years does it take to do one thing? And they're giving you, like, sometimes certain things just discourage you. But you know what? Sometimes the devil just have their hands in the mix of things for you sometimes, and don't want to see you prosper. But you just have to keep the faith and continue pushing and do what you have to do. That's one thing I have to say. A lot of time the devil's gonna rear its ugly head in the midst of things. Sometimes whether it comes out in people, in certain things that you're doing, but you're just gonna have to look past all of that. Oh, sorry. You have to go look past all of that and just do what you have to do, because let me tell you, today this devil is rearing its ugly head, and I am not liking it at all. But I'm still going to try and push through and get what I have to get done. See, down to what Mr. Williams had to do got delayed. My business that I had to do was pretty much delaying everything. One piece of paper, all it takes, and now they're just giving me a hard ass time at just getting what I need to get. Like, it's just crazy, man. It's crazy, but you know what? I'm still here. I'm still going to try and get what I need to get done, and I'm still gonna push through, and I am going to get what I need to get done, finished, because this is just ridiculous. It's been years coming. Been years. Coming, and you're telling me that this is not done as yet. Oh my goodness. But you know what? It is what it is. We're just gonna do what we have to do and get it done. So let me go try and fill out as much as I can right now on my phone and save what I can save, and then go up and finish what I have to finish, because my hotspot is just not letting me be great to pick up the stuff on my laptop because I knew this crap was going to happen. I knew this thing was going to happen. But let me go do what I gotta do and I will get back to you guys. Alright guys, so we came back and guess where we are going? River Premiums. Yeah.
About over 1,000 people.
Yeah, so River Premiums.
That's the door.
This one, no shirt on. Eh? Okay, yeah, so push up the door. Yeah, so yeah. Eh? We left you.
Squish over here.
Gosh. Alright.
Yes. Shut up.
Alright. So here we
Good.
go.
Nice.
Oh
Make it
gosh.
still bony.
Yeah. So we are back. We're going to go enjoy the river. Yeah. All right. So here we go again. Yeah.
Oh wait, where's Zoe mom?
Dry day.
Where's Zoe almost dropped? Nah, remember, nah, forget that then. Then me almost pop up back there. Look how fat I look.
Hey. It's a water nice.
Okay, and what's the point?
It looks so pretty.
So this was where we made our first intro.
Jump off and drop.
Jump off.
Saw me there go. Saw me there
Look
go.
at the water.
All right. Oh, water is there.
Oh, that look. Mom, it's so much easier.
Oh, look at it. So beautiful.
Memphis, I'm jump.
Memphis is gonna jump. So if you guys go back in our 20, was it the 2019 vlogs?
Oh yeah.
Those are the two little what?
And
Cigarettes.
one fat and one mother.
You guys have seen. Oh. I don't know how to jump. Jump off. Water cold? Oh, now we have fun. Oh, thanks. I'm gonna have to catch one. Mario, it is. No, sir. Zap drop. Zap drop off. Eh? Zap drop off there, so it drop. Of course. Oh God, that's so funny. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. So, well, the water. Oh yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to head in. I'm going to put my phone in the case because it's already not fully 100. I'm already finding on my water.
Come on, Ted. Don't be a baby. No, take it.
Water nice? Huh? And she's attempting to jump. Rissa, jump! Jump, Rissa, jump! Come on, Rissa, jump! Jump!
jump before. Hey, come on. I mean, as a second, go on. Look, guys, Mario look like he's cold sitting on the rock. You look like you're cold sitting on the rock. Let's see if you go jump. Come feed. So where you going, Eva? Come now, Rissa.
You're too hard.
Come fit, your turn. You gonna go? You come up.
Yeah, let's go.
You go always go right this way. Now go far. Yeah, you know, jump. You don't watch up with that.
What? Whatever,
Oh, the goggles. They under there, so. I haven't picked up three of them. No, you think to jump off and ask Nate. Three. Where's that? You want to know we vlog? You know, Joe. Wait. You know why I vlog? Oh, there you go, fake one. Yes, and now jump. Yes, look at the pros. They're coming to stick. Welcome to Jamaica, from Planet Babes. So then still at it. So then still at it. Faith, your turn. So you got up there. Got up the team. Down after her, but she's running. Oh gosh, if I meant to go war. We'll try and see if we can get Miss Faith in the vlog.
Slip over.
See up there. Want to climb the double step?
I'm going to slip out down the step on the way.
You slip? Wow. I got some real flickers. Whoa. Vietnam jump. Oh, there. Thank you. Jump it.
Give me a come.
Look at Mr. Williams, cold. He's just sitting.
I bet I'm with you.
Mario, come on, we're going to sit up by the rock. Really, babe? You get cold.
Yeah, like it's fully.
And me, I like it's cold, that's okay. Mario, come. Well, I had to literally wipe off my makeup off my face. So, at least me can kind of thing. So, but I'm cold, as you guys can see. It's cold, cold, cold. So, hey guys, we just reached home. Yeah, and now Mario gonna play soccer. So, Mario is touring today. I can say he is touring. Exhausted. So I'm gonna lay down. Anything else for today? Yeah, I'm gonna go lay down. I'm gonna go edit. Oh, you know what? Let me take up these shoes before these dogs start trampling all over it. Let me put them up here. Yeah. Cassie! Oh yeah, do this. Yeah, so I'm gonna go edit and stuff like that because I got some editing to do. Oh Lord, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Sorry for the lighting. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam, where it is always a vibes over here. So guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right here because I'm gonna go relax, edit. Like I said, Mario gone play soccer, and yeah, the kids are just tired. So we'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.